Hi everyone, welcome back to online classes. This is Christopher sir. Today we are discussing second class mathematics, second class maths. In that already you have learned something about place value in a 3-digit number. Place value of each digit in a 3-digit number. So let us see once. Place value of each digit in a 3-digit number. Place value of each digit in a 3-digit number. That means we have a 3-digit number, we have a 3-digit number. In that 3 digits, each place have a certain value. What is that value? Already in the previous class you have learned. Let us revise once again. I will explain briefly, very easily. You just observe carefully and understand what is the place value, and then you will get the knowledge, then you can apply. You can fill the book easily. So let us see once. For example, I will write a 3-digit number here. How many digits are there? 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. Okay, here 3 digits are there. This number is 392. So how to read this number? To know how to read the number, you should know the digits. Place values of each digit you should know. So what is the place of the first digit? From right to left we have to give the place values. Right to left we have to give the place values. So this is ones place, already you know that, and this is tens place, and the last one, this is 100 place. Ones place, tens place, 100 place. Now you can understand in each digit what is the place value. Okay, so what is the place value of 2 ones? Okay, 2 ones are 2. So 2 is the place value. So what is the place value of 9? It is in tens place. Okay, it is in the tens place. That means 9 into 10, 90 place value, like that. So this is in the 100 place. 3 into 100, 100 place. So this one you will learn the next. So now you have to recognize first digit in which place, second digit in which place. That means ones place or tens place or 100 place. So this is ones place. You can write 2 is in ones place. Okay, so this is ones place, and 9 is tens place. This is tens, and 3 is hundreds place, hundreds. Do you understand? This is from right side onwards. Right side first number ones. From right side onwards second number tens. Right side onwards third number hundreds. If there is one more number, you will get another name. Hundreds, thousand will come. That much only. Okay, don't confuse. Now one more number. Let us take one more number. For example, 218. Which digit is in ones place? In this number, which digit in ones place? Guess. Yes, that is the right answer. What is that? 8 is in ones place. This is ones place. And what is the place of 1? This is tens place. So that means in tens place 1 is there. Which number is in 100 place? The remaining one. 2 is in 100 place. Okay. This is ones, tens and hundreds. I will give one more number. For example, 9, 2, 7. What is the digit present in hundreds place? Hundreds place. What is the digit? Yes, tell me. That is 9. 9 is in hundreds place. Okay. So like that, this is already you have done in the previous class. Okay. Ringing the ones place digit and tens place digit, hundreds place digit. So already you have learned that. Now in this class, one more thing. Just writing hundreds, ones, tens, okay, like that you have to write. For example, one number I will show you how to write. 218. So for this, for example, in words here, box is given hundreds, okay, hundreds plus box, this is tens, okay, plus another box, ones. Okay, now we have to fill these boxes. You know, by observing this number, you have to fill these boxes. Dash hundreds. In this number, dash hundreds. What you have to write? How many hundreds are there? You have to fill here. Dash tens are there. How many tens are there? Fill this number. Okay, fill this box. And last one, how many ones are there? You have to fill this box. Okay, so simply observe the number and write in the box. So here, how many hundreds are there? What is the number here in hundreds place? 2. So write 2 in the first box. Plus dash tens. How many tens are there? That means what is the digit present in tens place? 1. So write 1 in the second box. And next one, dash ones. How many ones are there? So observe the digit present in ones place. So this is ones place. The 8 is present in the ones place. So here 8 ones. I think you got the answer. So like that, this number also let us write once again. Okay, once again observe carefully. Box is given hundreds plus tens plus ones. Okay, I am giving different numbers. In the textbook, different numbers are there. I am giving different numbers. You have to observe carefully. 927. That means 927. 927. How many hundreds are there? 9. So write 9 here. How many tens are there? 2. Write 2 in the second box. How many ones are there? 7. So write 7 in ones place. So like that, different numbers, any number, same procedure. If it is okay, if it is a 3-digit number, you have to write first hundreds place, tens place, then ones place, like this. So naturally you will read from right to left, ones, tens, hundred. So like that. For example, if it is a 0 in the middle, 0 tens. If it is 0 in the ones place, 0 ones. So like that. One more we will take with zeros. For example, 800. How many hundreds are there? 8 hundreds, 8 hundreds. How many tens are there? 0 tens. In this box you have to write 0 tens. And how many ones are there? 0 ones. This much only. It is very easy. Okay. So by observing these three, you have to fill the numbers given in the test book. So page number 84, fill in the boxes is given. Page number 84, fill in the boxes. You have to write the numbers in the particular boxes. Some are already filled, some empty boxes are there, you fill that. Okay. Next one, fill in the blanks. Second one also see. Here numbers is given, numeral, the place of the underlined digit in the numeral, the place value of the underlined digit in the numeral. Okay. Observe these numbers. For example, 6, 4, 5. Here one number underlined. So what is the place of the underlined digit? And we have to write the place value of the underlined digit. So this is ones place, this is tens place, and this is hundreds place. Now first of all, we have to identify what is the place of the underlined digit. What is the place of the underlined digit here? Tens place. Okay. So we will write tens place. So what is the number? That means what is the digit present in tens place? 4. Okay. So here 4 into tens, that means 4 tens into, no need, maybe you don't understand, 4 tens. Okay. 4 tens means 40. 4 tens 40. So that is the place value of underlined digit. So one more number, I will give you one more number, 7, 8, 5. So now I will underline this number. So what is the place of the underlined digit? What is the place of the underlined digit? That means this digit present in which place? Let us count the places from right side onwards. This is ones, tens, hundreds. That means 7 is present in hundreds place. You have to write here hundreds. Okay. So now in the second column, place value we have to write. 7 is present in hundreds place. What is the value of 7 here? 7 hundreds. Then we have to write here 7 hundreds. 7 hundreds, or you can write simply the number 700. That is the place value of 7 here. One more number, let us take 8, 3, 4. Now I will underline the first number. So what is the place of the underlined digit here? So this is first digit. So let us count the places: ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundred. That means 4 is in ones place. So what we have to write here? Ones. O-N-E-S. Ones. Okay. How many ones are there? That means the value of the digit. 4 ones are there. So 4 ones right here. 4 ones. 4 ones is nothing but 4 only, or you can write simply 4. So like that we can fill all the numbers. So here some examples are given in page number 84. So you have to fill in these gaps. Okay. First write the underlined digit place, then you can write the place value of the underlined digit. Next one, page number 85. Fill in the blanks are there. So you can see page number 85, fill in the blanks. So here we have some numbers. So according to the place values, hundreds, tens, ones, we have to divide and write an expanded form. So that is expanded form. For example, I will write one number here. Okay, 796, 796. You can write this number like this. How many hundreds are there? 700s are there. So write 700 plus. How many tens are there? That means in tens place, what is the digit? 9. That means 9 tens are there. So 9 into 10. 9 tens means 90. Right? 90 plus. In tens, next tens place 9 is there, 9 tens 90. Okay. Next ones place. How many ones are there? That means in ones place, what is the digit? 6. So 6 ones. 6 ones. So 796 you can write like this: 700 plus 90 plus 6. So that means here 7 hundreds, 7 into 100. Okay, 700. So this is 9 into 10, and tens place is there, no? So that is why 9 into 10, 90. Here ones place, 6 into 1, 6. So actually they will get these values like this. Okay. This is just for our understanding I have written. So you no need to write this. Like this you need to write, only write this 700 plus 90 plus 6. So like that any number, you can take any number and you can expand. For example, one more number. I will give you one more example. Two, 3, 5. That means 235. So write like a expanded form. How many hundreds are there? In a hundreds place, 2 is there. So you write first 200 plus tens place, what is the digit? 3. That means 3 tens, 30 plus. In ones place, what is the digit? 5. 5 ones, that is 5. So like that you can write any number, any 3-digit number you can write like this only. This is expanded form. So some more examples are there, some more numbers are given for you. You have to fill in the textbook. So one more, next another model. Let us see. In the page number 85, and the second one, write the digits of the given numbers in the place value chart. So here place value chart is given. Write hundreds, shortcut will write H, tens, in shortcut will write T, and ones, you can write O in shortcut. So let us take some examples. So here take one number, for example 187. 187. So in a hundreds place, what is the digit present? You have to write here. In a tens place, what is the digit present? You have to write here. And in ones place, what is the digit present? You have to write in ones. Okay, let us write. So what is the digit present in hundreds place? Ones, tens, hundreds. This is ones, tens, hundreds. So that means 1 is present in 100 place. 1 is present in a hundreds place. And in a tens place, what is the digit present in a tens place? 8. So write here 8. What is the digit present in ones place? 7. Write 7 in ones place. Okay, easy, very easy. Okay, here already hundreds, tens, ones is given. You just write the digits in their places. That much only. You can take another example. 208. In hundreds place, what is the digit? Yes, this is the hundreds place. So write 2 here. In tens place, what is the digit? 0. Write 0. In ones place, what is the digit? 8. Write 8 here. Okay? Clear? Shall we write one more number? Big number. You can take 9, 3, 8. Or you can take any other number also. 6 let us take. So what is the digit present in hundreds? 9. What is the digit present in tens place? 3. What is the digit present in ones place? 6. So write 6 here. Okay. So like this, some more examples are there in the textbook. You have to write that. So my dear children, page number 84 and page number 85. I have explained some examples. The different numbers I have explained. For your practice, for your understanding, whether you understood or not. So for practice purpose, there are some more numbers are given. Just by observing this, you just fill in the blanks, page number 84 and 85. After completing that, take a picture and send me through the WhatsApp. Thank you. We will meet again.